Hey there, it's Mac. Let's set up a referral program. It's going to grow your customer base by leveraging their social circles. This will make it easy for customers to share your store with their friends and family by incentivizing both parties with rewards. Each customer will be assigned a URL that they can directly share through their email, Facebook, and Twitter. Inside of the Smile panel, customers can enter their friend's email address along with a custom personalized message. Smile will then automatically send the email into that friend's inbox. If customers are accessing their website on their phone, they can share their URL with any messaging application that is installed, so WeChat, Messenger, WhatsApp, anything that has texting capabilities. When a new customer clicks the referral URL or accepts the offer via email, they'll be directed to your store. Once they enter their email address, the referral coupon will be automatically generated and applied to their cart. Let's set it up. We're going to start in the Program tab and then go to Referrals. By default, $15 off coupons are set up for the customer and the friend that they are referring. We want to shoot for 10 to 20% of the average order value. You can find this in your Wix, BigCommerce, or Shopify Analytics page. If you want to edit settings, you hit Edit, and you have all the normal settings for reward types that we talked about in the last video. If you want to change the reward type, you hit Change, Delete Reward, Add Reward, and now you can pick from any of the normal reward types, so amount, discount, percentage, free shipping, and if you have the growth plan or above, you can use the free product. Another good recommendation is to use points for the customer that is referring. This way, the customer can save up those points and then use them on a more premium reward, incentivizing them to refer lots of people. Looks pretty good. We'll hit Save, and now our reward is created. We want to give rewards for both the customer and the friend, so they're both incentivized to participate, and you want them to be relatively similar in value. If you're on a paid account, you can activate guest referrals. To do this, click Learn More and turn on all customers. This means that guests can get referral URLs and share them with people as well. This is what it looks like. So when a guest makes a purchase, after the checkout on the thank you page, they're going to get this pop-up. They're able to use the same options as regular members in the panel. Here you can edit social settings. So on desktop, you can activate Facebook, Twitter, so customers can share your store on Facebook and Twitter and share their referral URL, as well as email, so they can put in their friend's email and Smile will directly email the friend. If you want to customize the referral link preview, so when someone shares this referral link on Facebook, there'll be a small pop-out. You can customize the text, the description, and upload an image so that way the post is on brand with your store. Now this is the referral landing page. So by default, customers will go to the home page of your store once they click that referral URL. You can change this. So here I have it set to my products page. That way customers are one step closer in that purchase flow. Smile is equipped with some fraud prevention tools. We don't want customers being able to refer themselves. To do this, we check email similarity, so if the emails are too similar to each other, we will automatically reject that. We check the IP address, so if too many requests are coming from the same IP address, that'll be another reason for rejection. We check the name on the accounts themselves, so if a new customer makes an account with a name that is the same as an account that already exists, that'll be another reason to reject a referral. Merchants can also check the status and block referrals if they suspect suspicious activity. So, if you go to the Program tab, Activity, scroll down to Referrals, you can see all of the referrals that are happening. View all referral activity. And you can see this is the one I did to make this video. You can click on the status. And here you can hit Cancel Referral. So what this does is it allows you to have more control over if you believe something is happening. You can also read more about the fraud analysis by clicking here. The referral program works best when it's paired with the points program. Our research has shown that merchants who had both active programs had the highest increase in sales. If you haven't seen the video on how to set up the points program, check it out. Feel free to comment if you have questions, and check out our channel for more videos. Thanks. He was about to climb up. I don't know. He was like 2 seconds from climbing up on the desk.